Repairing subsea tubulars is a complex task. It's always difficult to obtain accurate metrology of the damaged area, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Left untreated, a breached outer sheath can lead to corrosion and fatigue, significantly reducing its safe operational life. Flexlife's FlexDefend ROV repair clamp is specifically designed to accommodate different diameters, modular, to enable repair of longer damaged areas and suitable for installation by remotely operated vehicles. And the simple adjustable ROV tooling can adapt to a broad range of diameters, removing the cost of bespoke tooling. The FlexDefend ROV clamp is made from PA12 nylon, which has a proven track record for use in a saltwater environment, as well as ultra-deep water. PA12 is robust, corrosion-resistant and non-conductive, ideal for use in repairing offshore wind power cables. The FlexDefend ROV can be easily adapted to seal a wide variety of tubular outer diameters using proven, common design components. The clamp is designed with a closing overlap to accommodate sheath anomalies or ovality when latching. As the clamp tightens, the Viton or NBR gasket is designed to compress, creating multiple sealing points. The gasket is adaptable, and all diameters can be accommodated using the same common gasket molds. The gasket design also enables multiple clamps to be installed in series to encapsulate longer repair lengths. The clamp creates a seal around the entire tubular, isolating the damaged area from further corrosion. The simplicity and adaptability of the FlexDefend ROV design and its tooling is ideal for use in the splash zone. It's easily installed by rope access teams and readily deployed by divers. The new FlexDefend ROV repair clamp from Flexlife.